Hello students, I am Poulami ma'am and welcome to Concept to Remember series of Ogroni. In this video, you are going to learn about fundamental physical quantity and derived physical quantity. Fundamental physical quantities are those which do not depend on any other physical quantities. This is the concept you need to remember. For example, the mass of the cube can be measured on a weight machine. In this case, the mass of the cube is 78 grams. To measure mass, we do not need to know the measured value of any other physical quantity. So, mass is a fundamental physical quantity. There are 7 fundamental physical quantities. These are length, mass, time, electric current, temperature, amount of substance, and luminous intensity. All these quantities can be measured without knowing the measured value of any other physical quantity. So, all these quantities are fundamental physical quantities. Physical quantities that are obtained by combining measured value of other physical quantities are called derived physical quantities. This is the concept you need to remember. Let's do an experiment in which we are going to measure the density of this cube. Density is mass per unit volume, which is obtained by dividing mass by volume. So, density is a derived physical quantity. In this case, mass of the cube is 78 grams. Volume of the cube is 157.46 cubic centimeter. So, density of the cube is 0.49 gram per cubic centimeter. Let's see the difference between fundamental physical quantity and derived physical quantity. Fundamental physical quantity is independent of any other physical quantity, whereas derived physical quantity is dependent on other physical quantity. As discussed earlier, there are only 7 fundamental physical quantities, whereas there are no limits to number of derived physical quantities. Units of fundamental physical quantities are called fundamental units. Units of derived physical quantities are called derived units. In our next video, that is CRS005, you will know about scalar and vector quantity.